How to change the currency in Temu. So to start, we'll just have to open our Temu account, and then once we're here on our account, we'll have to tap on this profile icon, and then here on our profile, we'll have to tap on the settings icon. And then under settings, you will now see this option currency. So in here, as you can see, I am using the Brazil currency. If I want to change this, what I need to do is to go back, and then after that, we'll have to tap on this country and region option. So to change our currency, the first thing that we need to do is to change our country or region. So as an example, I'm going to change mine from Brazil to Philippines. So what I need to do is to search for the Philippines, and then after that, I'll just have to tap on this switch to Philippines option. Once I'm done, it will automatically refresh my Temu account. After that, we'll just have to tap again on this profile icon, tap on the settings icon, and as you can see, I am now using Philippines currency. So that's how easy we can change currency in Temu. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.